Hello, it's Just Gaming here, and welcome to another video here. Basically today we're going to be doing a video about my HDMI cable. So basically, if you can remember, I have done a video of talking about the HDMI cable, of kind of like how it works and stuff. So in this video today, we're going to be doing a setup video. So we're going to be I'm going to be showing you guys of actually how it works, by the way. So how do I set up the lead to the to the capture. So what it is, by the way, it's a brand new HDMI cable that I bought from Game, because if you don't know the other one, the other one's broke, by the way. I actually bent that one. So I had to get myself a new one, and I've had it for quite a while, but I've kind of not had the chance to get my game capture set up with it yet. So in this video today, it might be quite short actually, because it's dead easy. I'm going to be doing a video I've kind of like talked about of actually how the setup normally works. So I'm just going to sit on my floor here. I'm going to be showing you guys. What have I done? That's cool. I've actually found the zoom in button. That's pretty cool. That was nice to know. So basically, we're going to be doing a video of kind of like how to set it up, by the way, if you don't know. Also, I just want to let you guys know that there is going to be a video on my second channel tonight. I know that obviously I haven't recorded on my second channel, so there will be a video on that one when I've done these ones. I was actually going to do that for. I think what I'm going to do then is I'm going to do this one, and then I'm going to do my second channel video, and then I'm going to move straight back to my my other channel videos again, because I kind of forgot to do a video on my second channel. And I'm going to be recording it on my iPad anyway, and it's actually going to be the new series aimed on the iPad on that channel as well. So make sure you stay around on that. I'm not going to really bother doing a video of kind of like talking about the iPad on that channel, just because I've already done did it on this channel. So I think that video might just be called like new iPad or something. I don't know, new Apple iPad, I think. So that'll be pretty cool. So there's going to be 3 videos on that, so I'll probably do that. But anyway, so let's go and get underway with this video then. So first thing is I need to find my HDMI cable. Is it this one here? I think this might be it here. I can't remember. Oh no, it's not that one. That's the Infinite cable. Let's see where the HDMI cable is. I think it's not that one. It's definitely somewhere. Aha, here it is. So you can kind of see it's still wrapped up at the moment. Let's go and get this underway. So I do need to unfold this, by the way. So I'm going to go and do that. And I will get back to in a minute. I'm recording these on my Apple iPad, by the way, just because my phone's gone into the room now. So that's why I'm doing them on here. And since the Wi-Fi is still on, so I might as well do these. So I'll be 1 second. I'm just going to unwrap these, and then we'll get back to where I was from before. I hope it's not going to take me too long. Come on. I hope it don't take me too long to get these unfolded, because it won't take me that long. No, best idea is kind of doing them with scissors, but I don't think I have scissors up here. Yeah, that was easy. I'll be quickly as I can. I think this one's quite easy. Yeah, that's quite easy as well. 1 second, guys. I'll be with you as quickly as possible. I'm just trying to get this last one unfolded. Come on. Oh, come on. Right, it's not unfolded yet. Come on. Come on. There we go. Right, I've done it. Right, let's. I've done. So that's fine. And, oh dear, it's gone off, guys. Oh dear. So unfortunately, guys, there's no Elgato game capture videos. Unfortunately. Might do them in the morning. That's if I get up early. I might probably end up doing them in the morning then. Like at MotoGP 17 and all that. So just be these. I think we'll do 3 videos on the iPad tonight, because honestly I don't want to record on it too much. I think I'll probably do them. Anyway, I've got my my HDMI start. I'll be uploading these in the morning, by the way, just to let you know. Yeah, so here's my. It's quite difficult to hold this. I'm doing the camera the other way, so there's my my cable. So yeah, so I'm going to go and show you guys how it works. So you can kind of see it's got two different ends on it. Oh, I forgot to take something off them. I forgot to take the white thing off because yeah, you got to unwrap these, by the way. Yeah, there we are. Just got to take this little plastic thing off. I'll kind of show you now. Where's the camera? There it is. Yeah, they have these little plastic things on to keep it straight, basically. I think there should be another one. Yeah, there's another one here. Yeah, so basically just keep them all straight and that, so they don't have too much. So I think what I'm going to do, by the way, is I might keep them safe so I don't end up losing them. There's another end, they're quite small, so it's going to be quite handy. Anyway, right, so you can kind of see they're just exactly the same. So yeah, let's get started. I don't know why this one's got a thing on it. I'm just going to leave that. Anyway, right, let's go and get it underway. So it can be any side. It don't have to be any side. So yep. So the way how it works is it goes in one of these buttons here. So you can see that these slots here are kind of like the two slots that goes in. So the HDMI slots. So I can put it in any one. So we'll put it in. Let's put it in the top one. If it even goes in. I'm trying to do it on view. Is it going? It seems to not be going in. That's probably because I can't see out. Why is it not going in? Okay, never mind. Right, we'll try the other end instead. Okay, is it even going to go in? Stupid thing. Right, I'll have to put my my screen down for this actually. What I want to know is why is it not going in? That's what I want to know. Come on. Why is it not going in? Right. We'll try the other one. Oh, why the... Oh, for God's sake. This is what I hate about leads. Because they're a pain in the ass. It's not going in. Right. Oh, I'm sorry I'm taking too long. Sorry, I'm really sorry I'm taking too long. I'm trying to get this in. It's not going in at all. What the fuck's wrong with it? Right, I tell you what, it's not working. I'm going to try the one at the back. Right, it's not working, guys. I'm sorry I'm taking too long. I'm going to try this one at the back. Yeah, there's one right at the back here. I'm going to try. I'll have to try this one. I think this one should work. There's one right at the back here. This one should go in, I believe. If it even goes in. Come on. Get yourself in. Stupid. Come on. Go in. Nope. Nope. It's not going in, guys. It's not going in. It doesn't want to go in, does it? It does not want to go into the... What the bloody hell is wrong with it? Am I not putting this in right or something? You know what I'm like when I put stuff in, I'm not great. I'm really sorry I'm taking too long. You're probably bored right now. I am really sorry I'm taking too long. Sorry for the blow, because I just had to put it in. Oh, this is aching my arm now. It doesn't want to go in. Right, we're having technical difficulties with the HDMI cable. I do apologise. I don't know what the hell's going on with it. What have I just done something? Oh god, I've actually just unplugged my tower. Oh dear, I'll sort that out in a second. This is a bloody nightmare. It doesn't want to go in at all. I don't know what's wrong with it. It just doesn't want to go in. It just doesn't want to go in. Right, let me try the other side. Right, I'm really sorry, I'm really boring you now. What the what's wrong with it? It does not want to go in at all. It does not want to go in at all. Oh my god. Why the hell are you not going in my tower? Can I please let me know, please? Right, we've got some technical problems. It seems to not be going in the. It seems to not be going in the tower. Right, so what I want to know is what's wrong with it, because it seems to not be going in. That's what I want to know why. It's a lead. It's the right lead, and it seems to not be going in. Game DL's model, made in China. Right, it seems to not be going in, guys. So I think what I'm going to do then is I'm not going to do that in video because that's going to take me ages. So I think I'll have to just end it here then. So I'll kind of show you how it works anyway if you don't know. I'm not going to really bother because you're going to get bored otherwise. So yeah, so I'll kind of show you behind here if you don't know if my camera on this is pretty good. It probably isn't. Yeah, basically behind my tower there's kind of a few, well there's two HDMI cable spots in there. And that's where it goes, by the way. So it just goes into there, and then it'll just work. So I'm afraid I'll have to end this here because the lead's being a massive pickle. So yeah, what I'll do, by the way, is when you come back to me tomorrow, I will hopefully have this in, and we can start doing them. I think that's what I'm probably going to do because it's going to take me a while otherwise. And since we've still got two more to upload, so yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much how you get the HDMI cable set up. I know obviously I don't really know it myself, but yeah, it's pretty good how to set it all up, and it's actually not too bad, so that's pretty good. Anyway, yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have, please give me thumbs up. Please come subscribe to the channel if you are new around here. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.